Today we are making every Poppin Cookin kit, starting with the one that I think is going to be the easiest to make and ending with the Gummy ramen noodles. This is gonna be so cool if I can actually pull it off. I'm also curious, is this gonna taste like candy or is it gonna taste like ramen? Same with the burger. Like, is the ketchup gonna actually taste like ketchup? We're gonna find out. So Poppin Cookin is a Japanese candy brand that makes these kits so you can make mini food that looks like real food, but it's all gummy. How does that work, you may ask? The product comes together by minerals such as calcium and sodium reacting to water. Okay, my obsession with these little Japanese candies started over on my main channel when I did this candy video, and I found this super satisfying candy, but it didn't go well when I tried to recreate that. I just want a satisfying moment. And the reason is I bought the wrong one. That Poppin Cookin is actually this like grape one, and how you're supposed to use it is you alternate dipping this tree thingy in the powder and the liquid over and over, and then it forms these little balls. But I like the way that they used it in the first video a lot better. That was much more satisfying. Anyway, that video resulted in me wanting to try all of them, so here we are. First kit. I've got some mini cooking supplies to help me out. I'm excited to put some of this stuff to use. So throughout the video, we're gonna be filling this little tray with all of the different Poppin Cookin treats. Tanoshi sushi. All of them come with pretty clear instructions that are in English, so we shouldn't mess this up, right? I got my other one. Ta-da! The packaging's so cute! And then the little molds are actually built into the packaging for all this, which makes it pretty easy. All right, so this first one is supposed to be our cooked rice. Wow, it does kind of look like rice. Let's taste test. Wow, I'm getting like a bubblegum flavor, which I was not expecting from the rice. Okay, our next step is the egg omelet and tuna slice. Ooh, that one smells like mango. Ooh, we gotta make our seaweed next with this black candy. Spread it out to match shape and size of the packing pouch. This tiny rolling pin coming in handy. What does this taste like? Ooh, that's good. It's like sour grape. All right, now we're making the little caviar balls. This is the part where the science really comes in. We're gonna use our little dropper to drop the red liquid into the clear liquid, and that's what's supposed to turn it into the little balls. Wow, there they are. Okay, time to put together our sushi. All right, step one, form rice ball. Okay, now we wrap our rice ball in the seaweed, and then top it with our, they're calling it salmon roe, but it looks like caviar to me. Wow, that's so fun. Look at our little sushi roll. Let's add it to our final tray. I'm gonna make a couple more, be right back. Okay, there are our completed sushis. I'm really happy with how these turned out, which makes me excited for the other kits. Next, I recruited some help for the next few so that we're not here literally all day. So we have the lovely Anna that's going to be making Gummy Land. I'm gonna be doing this ice cream. Look how cute that is with little toppings. And then Aspen is going to be making some waffles.
And yeah.
Yay! Oh my gosh, this is gonna be perfect. Whoa, how did you do that?
You just open the little latch that says open.
Oh. Nice.
Hey, no eating. Is it yummy?
They're not very sweet. That's okay. I'm interested to see which one of our kits takes the longest. I feel like it's gonna be the waffle. Woo!
What?
Guys, why am I so bad at this?
I should have did this one.
Yeah, why did I give you the easy one?
Yeah,
Oh, this one looks like Pepto-Bismol.
Gross.
Kind of smells like it too, not gonna lie.
Oh, yeah. Mine smells delicious.
Kind of bubble gummy.
Right.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that one smells like frosting and cake batter. Okay, that's way better than the other one.
Wow, it actually smells and looks like a waffle.
Okay, here it goes.
So my berry mold.
Ooh. Cute.
Wow, that
It
is
looks
so pretty.
Cute. Wow.
That was actually really good.
Nice.
Wow.
All right, now I put my sprinkles on and then I'm done.
Whoa, I'm only on step 3 of 5. Stuffing gummy.
Wow, I love it. My ice creams are done. While you guys are finishing, I'm gonna eat one. How do you just one bite? What do I do here?
Yeah, you kind of can't really Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
Oh, it's pretty good. It's basically a tiny ice cream cone full of frosting. I'm not mad about it. Okay, adding my ice cream to the tray.
I am ready to decorate my waffle.
That is crazy how much it looks like an actual waffle. Like a Belgian waffle with the crispy sugar on it and everything.
Yeah.
Why is it green?
It's watermelon flavor.
Water? Is it really watermelon?
It's not very aesthetic.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the waffle was cuter before
With
the
all the stuff on it.
toppings.
Okay, all done.
Nice.
Get up.
All right, it's looking more complete. Should we cut up the waffle while you're making the other one and
Yeah.
twist it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Yummy. It's actually not bad.
It's not bad. Watermelon waffle is still a weird combination, but it's not bad.
You guys want to try gummy? It's just missing like a sour. Like sour something.
It looks like it should be sour, that's
Yeah.
why. So far, the gummy might be my favorite.
Yeah, same. Did you say there's a ramen one?
Yeah, that's the finale.
And a hamburger one.
All right, adding our waffle to our tray with no toppings, because I think it's cute just as is.
Hey, yo, clean up.
He's helping clean. Round 2. Anna is going to make our donuts. Aspen's going to make a gummy bento box. And I'm gonna make the burger. I'm so excited. Mine even comes with fries and ketchup and a drink. No way. I'm so excited.
Open it like this.
Oh, the way it's meant to be opened? Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, that's way cuter. Oh, Leo's excited about the burger one.
That is
Yeah.
a panda bear.
Cute.
Wait, they have mochi donut.
You have to make that one. It's
Yeah.
so cute. My fry dough.
Yeah, this is probably the extent of my cooking. Add water, mix.
Yeah. I'm supposed to get my fries out. Oh, there they are. Okay.
Wow.
All right, time to cut my fries.
Oh, it
Put them
even
on
has
this
a
little
knife.
tray.
This
Yeah.
smells so good. I want to eat it.
Wow.
Like a cake.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
The cake ones are my favorite.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
This one's so satisfying.
Try it.
Let's try a fry.
Tastes like French fries.
Is it salty?
Sugar. It's also almost like bubblegummy. Bubblegum fries.
Whoa.
Cute. There's our tray of fries. Make buns. Yay. Star tray? Okay. Why is everything I make bubblegum? The hamburger bun is bubblegum.
Just making a mess.
Okay, sleep paralysis demon.
Wait, it's cute. What are you talking about?
Are we looking at the same thing? Let me try again.
All right, my buns are cooking. I'm gonna make the meat patty next. I haven't heard much from you over there.
No, focus.
Wow. Okay, I made these a little.
What is going on with your hand?
You ruined it.
The ears
My
are
first
sticking.
and last video I'm ever gonna do. Probably look louder.
It looked good.
Yeah.
And then
It didn't. No.
Ew, look, it kind of looks like ground beef. It's chocolate. Chocolate burger patty? What?
This box is wild. I am making fried chicken and then
we
spaghetti.
were supposed to give her the easy box.
Okay, when I got this burger kit, I was expecting it to look like those Krabby Patty gummies that you get at like the gas station. But this is supposed to end up looking really realistic when it's done. The cheese is banana flavored. So far we have bubblegum, chocolate, and banana in my burger. Oh! I love that one.
That's adorable.
Wow.
Why did yours turn out so cute and mine turned out so scary?
All right, I'm making my cheese slice. Get it nice and flat, and then cut it into a cheese shape.
Okay, I tried the panda again. That actually turned out way cute.
Oh.
Yeah, that's better.
We can eat this one. How is it? Cheesy?
Banana.
Oh wow, getting fancy.
Fun.
Okay, now I gotta add some crumbles. Ta-da!
It's beautiful.
All right, adding donut to tray. Here's my complete burger and fries. I feel like I went a little heavy on the meat on my burger. Look at it jiggle. It also came with a soda. I'm interested to see if it actually tastes like Coca-Cola. Let's see. It does.
Shut up.
I mean, it's a flat Coca-Cola, but it is Coca-Cola flavored. And then here is Aspen's complete bento box. I feel like the fried chicken turned out the best. Look at that. It looks like real fried chicken.
Literally.
V2 of the panda turned out a little better.
So much.
We got noodles, broccoli. I still don't know what that guy's supposed to be.
It's a sausage.
Oh, right.
Donut taste test.
The chocolate sauce is actually really good.
Yeah, the taste is good, but the gummy texture's throwing me off a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, let's add my burger to the tray. Looking good so far, but we have one more. All right, time for our finale, gummy ramen. All on my own for this one. And I think the ramen's supposed to just like go in here, but we have this cute little mini stir fry pan. So I thought it'd be cute to put in this instead. All right, step one, add water to cup until half full and then orange packet. Okay, we mix, and this is supposed to become firm after 10 minutes. It smells mango-y. What flavor are our noodles gonna be? Strawberry, I think? Okay, pressing it into the mold. Okay, next up is to fill our spring rolls with the toppings, which I think is just in here. And then we roll them. Okay, all that work for some kind of ugly spring rolls, but there they are. All right, next we're making our soup. Oh my gosh, the soup is Coca-Cola flavored. Oh no, what are the noodles gonna be? I think this is gonna be kind of like our little caviars where I squeeze it into the liquid. Fill the bag up kind of like I did with my frosting. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be really cool if it works. Noodles into the soup. Ooh, wow. Look, there's our noodles. That looks so good. Are you kidding me? Oh, I can put some of the leftover sprinkles on it to look like some other ingredients. And I think the last step is this little egg that I made, which I'll fill with a little bit of the noodle dough to make it look like the yolk. All right, we've got the noodles, the spring rolls. Let's see how our mango jelly turned out too. Yeah. Ugh. Am I supposed to get it out? Ah, there it goes. Mango jelly. All right, there's our complete meal. Should I try a spring roll? Wow. The sprinkles are like sour. That's good actually. Not the prettiest food we made, but it's tasty. Mango jelly. Not bad. Okay, here's our finished tray of food, the bento box, and our ramen noodle soup. I feel like I need to try some of the soup. Whoa, the noodle texture is very accurate. All I taste is Coca-Cola though. That's so weird. I was not expecting that. Let me know which one you think turned out the best. And we will see you guys in the next video. Say bye, YouTube.